I represent people who have been involved in wrecks, not people who have been involved in accidents. The difference is this: an accident supposes that this just happened, that it was nobody's fault. That's not what I see. In the cases where I represent people, somebody violated the rules of the road. They broke a rule. They drove while intoxicated. They ran a stop sign. They turned into the path of another car without signaling.
Every time we get in our car, we are making a promise to everyone else on the roadway that we are going to follow the same rules that everyone else agreed to follow. When we choose to violate one of those rules and a crash is caused, it's no accident. It's a choice. And we may not be doing it to hurt someone, but when we make a conscious choice to break a rule, we have to take responsibility for that.
That's what these lawsuits are about. If somebody injures you because they didn't follow the rules, it is right and it is fair that they're responsible for the injuries they caused as a result of their breaking that rule.
I represented a young woman several years ago who was hit by a tractor trailer and killed in St. Louis, and I sued the Missouri Department of Transportation, and that resulted in a $1.4 million judgment. I've also represented a family of an individual who was struck and killed on a motorcycle, and that resulted in a $2.4 million settlement. By helping the injured and their families, I become friends with these people. They become part of my family. I have kept in touch with most of my former clients. Even in cases that don't go just like I want them to, there's a connection there, and I do feel like I've helped them through a difficult part of their life.
My job description is that I get to wake up every day and come to my office and help people with what is likely the biggest problem they've ever faced. And they trust me with that problem. And that is both a great privilege and an awesome responsibility. And I take that very seriously. I take both pride and joy in developing ways to help those people, whatever their problem might be. And over the years, we've been very successful at it.